Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. It is Saturday, as you can see, the 1st of November, and like it is the case on each and every weekend, over the weekend we are calculating our steps for trading binary options into the next week, and on the euro and the Japanese yen it is extremely bullish. It is even bullisher than on the US dollar Japanese yen, and with that I think I said everything. I would say that the market, the pattern that started from these highs into the downside here, it is nothing but a contracting triangle. And the contracting triangle goes with a five-way structure. The five-way structure goes in the following fashion. This to be wave A that is done here. Then of course we are looking for the B wave to the upside, and the B wave to the upside is not done here or here, but it's done here with another triangle of a lower degree, and that one is a non-limiting triangle if you want, or a triangle that acts as a reversal pattern, as from the moment that the triangle is broken it knows nothing but pain until this moment of time. So ABC, then the D wave all the way to the upside, and what do you know, what do we have now? We have an E wave, and I would say that the E wave to the downside is not the one that is done here, but it is something like A, B, C, D, E. So the E wave is most likely done here. So having said that, like any contracting triangle, it is traveling within or between the ANC and B and D trend line, and the most important trend line in any triangle, not only a contracting one but in any triangle, the most important trend line is the B to D trend line, as it has some important rules to be respected. First of all, the ANC trend line can be pierced by any parts or whatever the ways, but the B to D trend line cannot. And if you look at the B to D trend line here, like this, with the current move to the upside that the Euro Japanese yen made above the 140 level, by the way, the pivotal 140 level, now this one here is forming or will test the B to D trend line. I would say that until the ECB that is going to come at the beginning of or at the start of November, we're going to form here somehow a consolidation pattern. Ideally we should have a triangle formation here that should act as a, like this, maybe a pennant, and then from this moment on the market to move to the upside. I would be with, let's say, heightened attention on the moment that the B2D trend line is broken. Why? Because at the moment that the B2D trend line is broken, we will have three different targets to watch. First of all, 141.21, when the D wave ended and the market turned to the downside, making a new low. Then of course, the all important now, 142, and the recent highs into 145. Now if you think that the US dollar Japanese yen broke those highs and it is now sitting on 7 years high, why not the Euro Japanese yen? I would even dare to say something more. I would say that the Euro Japanese yen is going to go there, not necessarily with the help of the US dollar Japanese yen, but with the help of the Euro US dollar. So that would be interesting to watch. As a consequence, I'm looking for an accumulation area, if you want, or a consolidation area before the B2D trend line. But we should only go and buy call options with end of week expiration date. So I would divide, if you want, the investment into this call option on the Euro Japanese yen into two parts. First of all, I'm looking to buy call options at the opening on Monday with end of week expiration date, and of course, so this will be the first thing to do on the euro and the Japanese yen. And of course I would like to aggressively, so looking to aggressively buy call options on each and every retest of the pivotal 140 level. Expiration date, of course, end of week expiration date. Now, if the market comes and tests the 140 level in, let's say, Wednesday or on a Thursday, it doesn't matter. We go and buy call options with end of week expiration date, so that will be something like 1 trading day. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. Make sure you check our website. Make sure you check our Binary Options Academy, and let's see what the first trading week in November brings. Have a great day. Bye bye.